Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to delete URL autofills in Google Chrome. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is up and running, direct your attention to the top of the window where you'll see the address bar. This is the search bar where you normally type in websites and search queries. Now let's test this out with an example. Go ahead and start typing something in the address bar. For instance, type the word "you." As soon as you begin typing, you'll notice that Chrome automatically suggests URLs based on your browsing history. These are the autofill suggestions that appear in a drop-down list below the search bar. Chrome does this to help you quickly navigate to sites you've visited before, but sometimes you might want to remove certain suggestions. To delete one of these autofill suggestions, look carefully at the drop-down list that appears. You'll see the suggested URL displayed there. Now hover your mouse over the specific URL suggestion you want to remove. When you do this, you'll notice a small X icon appears on the right side of that suggestion. This X icon is your tool for removing unwanted autofills. Go ahead and click on that X icon to delete the suggestion from your autofill history. After clicking the X, the URL suggestion will immediately disappear from the list. Chrome has now removed that specific entry from its autofill memory, which means it won't suggest that particular URL anymore when you start typing similar text in the future. Now, let's verify that the deletion worked. Open a new tab in Chrome by clicking the plus icon next to your current tab, or by using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+T. Once you have a fresh new tab open, go back to the address bar and type "you" again, just like you did before. This time you should notice that the previously suggested URL is no longer appearing in the autofill suggestions. Chrome has successfully removed it from its memory, giving you a cleaner and more relevant set of suggestions based on your current browsing preferences. And that's it. You've successfully removed an unwanted URL autofill suggestion from Google Chrome. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.